Hello everyone, welcome to my channel KK Tech Solutions. In this video I am going to explain you how to convert your own voice into text document or Word document. So whatever you say, it will recognize your voice and it will convert into text. So let's get started. Open your Google Chrome browser and here you need to sign in with your mail ID. So after signing with your mail ID, here you can see some dots here. Just click on that, and if you scroll down, you can see documents. These are Google documents. Just open documents. I am opening my Google documents. Just click on blank. Blank means I am opening new Google document. See, it got open. Here in this menu bar you can see tools. Click on tools and here you can see voice typing. Just click on it, voice typing. Here you can see English US selected and here you can see voice recognize symbol here. So I am clicking on it to check. So now whatever I speak here, it will convert my voice into text document. Sorry, text message. You can see here I am not typing anything, I am just speaking. Automatically it is converting my voice into text message. You can see clearly here. It will work when you speak clearly, when the voice is on. Here you can see the voice recognition is on, so it was recording my voice easily. Suppose if you want to type all these, it will take more time for you. So this is the best way. If you want to write something or if you want to save your time, it will be helpful to you. So in this way, simply we can change our voice into text message. I hope the video is helpful. If the video is useful to you, please like the video and subscribe to my channel.